Cash advance apps usually make money by charging fees, offering optional paid features, and earning revenue from financial services built around your account activity. By the end, you'll understand where the money comes from, why some apps ask for tips or subscriptions, and what to check before using one. The basic model is simple. A cash advance app gives you access to money before your regular payday or income deposit arrives. The company makes money by charging for certain services connected to that access. One common source of revenue is an instant transfer fee. Many apps let you receive money faster, but the faster option may come with a cost. The free option, when available, may take longer to reach your account. Another way these apps earn revenue is through subscriptions. Some apps offer memberships that can include extra features, such as account monitoring tools, budgeting features, or other financial services. The subscription model gives the company recurring income instead of relying only on individual transactions. Some apps also use optional tips. A tip is different from a required fee, because the user chooses whether to pay it. Users should check the payment screen carefully because a suggested tip can sometimes look similar to a required charge. Apps may also earn money by providing additional financial products. Once a company has permission to connect with your bank account or financial information, it may offer related services designed around managing money. The reason this business model works is that cash advance apps solve a timing problem. Someone may have income coming soon, but need money before that income arrives. The app provides convenience, and the company earns money from the services attached to that convenience. Before using a cash advance app, check 3 things. First, look at the total cost of getting your money early. Second, compare free and paid options inside the app. Third, read the terms before connecting your bank account. A cash advance app is not the same as free money. The company is providing a financial service, and the way it charges you determines whether that service is worth using. The key points are simple. Cash advance apps usually earn money through fees, subscriptions, tips, and related financial services. The fastest option is not always the cheapest option. Your next step is to open the app's pricing page and understand every possible charge before requesting an advance. If this helped you understand how these apps work, like the video, and subscribe for more simple explanations of everyday money decisions.